That awkward moment when you really want to race another car, but the other car turns out to be an unmarked police vehicle. If you value your manhood and or your bike, then leave jumps to the professional stunt people. As tempting as the freezing cold ice may be, try to refrain from cycling on it, because you will probably end up a lot worse than this chap. Always try to remember not to annoy the local cows, because if you do, then they might come for you. Before you go, please check out our Become a Supporter section. By becoming a supporter of our page, you will get loads of exclusive perks, such as access to our supporter only group, exclusive content and live streams, plus you will get a supporters badge, so we will be able to spot you as a supporter in any of the comments which you leave on our posts. It only costs just over £3 per month to become a supporter, and your £3 means that we can continue to bring you the content and videos which we know you love. Click on the Support Now button or click on the See Supporter Benefits button for more information. If you see anything on social media that you think needs some attention by our team of former emergency services personnel, then make sure that you send us a message with a screenshot of whatever it is that you want us to take a look at. Don't forget to check out our website for more emergency services related stories and videos from around the world. And if you have any videos which you have filmed that you would like us to feature, then remember to send us a DM via our Facebook page.